Welcome to Kishore's Neat Padasala. In this video, we will see the concept of bulk moduli. Bulk moduli is indicated by the letter B, okay, which is the ratio of change in pressure by volumic strain. So, pressure I can say also as force by area. This you will learn in the mechanical properties of fluid chapter. Pressure formula is force by area. Okay, since bulk modulus is change in pressure by volumic strain, pressure I can also say as the force by area divided by delta V by V, which is nothing but as stress by strain. The same thing is coming. So unit is Nm power minus 2 or Pascal. Now let us see how and all in different ways you can apply the formula according to different question. Bulk modulus is equal to change in pressure by volumic strain. So change in pressure is P2 minus P1 divided by volumic strain. You can also say it as the pressure is nothing but force by area. So force by area by volumic strain. So force by area for a cube, volume is L cube. So fractional change in volume is equal to 3 into delta L by L. So 3 into delta L by L. Well, this I am changing like this for a cube. Suppose if it is for a cylinder volume is A into L, the whole length is L. So area is pi r square into L. So delta V by V is 2 into delta R by R plus delta L divided by L. So this I am substituting like this. For a cube you can do like this, or suppose if it is given at a depth h, so pressure is nothing but rho g h. This also you will learn in the fluid chapter. So instead of pressure I am substituting this, that is rho g h divided by delta V by V. Delta V by V, if they are giving in percentage, you want to convert that value divided by 100. Okay, now let us see what are all the properties. It is defined for solids, liquids and gases. Young's modulus and rigidity modulus is only for solid, but bulk modulus is for solid, liquid and gases. Bulk modulus of solid is greater than bulk modulus of liquid is greater than bulk modulus of gas. Very important thing. Then bulk modulus is delta P by volumic strain. So pressure I can say also as the rho g h divided by delta V by V, that is inside liquid. Suppose they are giving inside ocean at depth h, then you must use this formula. In this formula you must use, okay, where delta V by B is the fractional change in volume or volumic strain. For incompressible liquid or solid, incompressible means delta V is 0, that is we cannot change. So if this is 0, then the bulk modulus is infinite. So for an incompressible thing, bulk modulus is infinite. What is compressibility? Let us see. Okay, compressibility is nothing but inverse of the bulk modulus. So bulk modulus unit of bulk modulus is Pascal or Nm power minus 2. So compressibility is inverse of bulk modulus. So unit of compressibility is Pascal power minus 1 or n minus 1 m square or atm minus 1. Atm is also a unit of pressure. Okay, so we know that bulk modulus is delta P by delta V by into V. So compressibility is nothing but delta V divided by delta P into V, that is inverse of bulk modulus. Okay, now let us see one numerical. A hydraulic pressure contains 0.25 meter cube, that is 250 liters of oil. Find the decrease in volume. So delta V they are asking. If it is subjected to a pressure, when it is subjected to pressure increases 1.67 Pascal. So pressure increases. So delta P is 1.67 into 10 power 7 Pascal. Bulk modulus is given, compressibility is also given. Okay, so bulk modulus is equal to delta P divided by delta V into V. So bulk modulus value is 5 into 10 power 9 Pascal, and delta P is 1.67 into 10 power 7 Pascal into volume. Volume they have given us 250 liters. So 250 liters, that I am taking in meter cube, since here everything in SI unit. So meter cube divided by delta V we want to find. So simple. So delta V simple you can find, which is nothing but 0.8 into 10 power minus 4 meter cube, which is nothing but 0.8 liter. Okay. I hope you like this lecture. If you like this lecture, please subscribe Kishore's NEET Padasala. Thank you.